The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Patrick County in southwest Virginia, southwestern Pittsylvania County in south central Virginia, city of Martinsville in south central Virginia, Henry County in south central Virginia, southern Franklin County in west central Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Mountain Valley to Stanleytown, or along a line extending from Cowens to Bassett, and moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Stanleytown, Villa Heights, Martinsville Airport, Swansonville, Axton. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of quarter or larger sized hail, as well as wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday evening for northwestern North Carolina and southwestern Virginia.